What is COVID-19 coronavirus disease? COVID-19 coronavirus disease is an infectious disease caused by a newly discovered coronavirus. Most infected with virus will experience mild to moderate respiratory illness, and may recover without special treatment. Older people who are having cardiovascular disease, diabetes, chronic respiratory disease, and cancer are more likely to develop serious illness. The COVID-19 virus spreads through droplets of saliva or when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The best way to prevent is to be well informed about the COVID-19 virus, and the disease it causes and how it spreads. Protect yourself and others from infection by washing your hands and not touching your face. There are no specific vaccines or treatments available for COVID-19 at the moment.
COVID-19 outbreak was characterized as a pandemic by the WHO on March 11.
What is the Virus Pandemic Survival Guide? The Virus Pandemic Survival Guide is a step-by-step guide, which will teach on how to protect your family during the pandemic situations. This guide will teach you how to manage food, water, health, energy and safety-related crisis during the pandemic situations. In the Food and Water chapter, it will teach you how to find, store and cook the food during pandemic situations. It will list out 21 dried foods you should have during the crisis situations. It will explain on how to get seeds and grow plants on your home garden within a single week's time. It will teach you some secret methods how to purify the water during these abnormal situations.
In the Health chapter, you will get the tips on how to stay healthy and avoid infections.
It will list out the 14 treatments for the most famous diseases. You can do it at home without the doctor's support. It will list out items which will help you to stay away from spreading the disease. It will explain how to reduce usage, store and harness natural resources up to maximum extent. It will explain how to enhance your cooking fuel longer by 3 times. In the Energy chapter, it will explain how to recharge batteries by using the simple sunlight techniques. It will explain how to reduce the energy usage for laptop, computer by 70%. In the Safety chapter, it will explain how to follow the latest news about COVID-19 in case of internet or electricity is shut down. It will explain how to keep your house safe and infection-free. It will explain how to deal the health of your pets. It will explain what to have inside your car in case of emergency. This guide is just like a navigator, which will show you how to get real information on how you can prepare and keep your loved ones safe. Get the Virus Pandemic Preparedness Guide to protect your family today. How to order this Virus Pandemic Survival Guide today. Virus Pandemic Survival Guide can be downloadable on your electronic devices, and even printable. Go through the description of this video, and check out the link https://bit.ly/34core on how to order this product.